No, but for real. Hi guys. I know it's been a minute. I just wanted to come back because it's been about a year since I big chopped, and I have like inches, tons of growth. And I just wanted to come back and kind of show y'all how long it's gotten. Tell you guys what's been going on. I guess I could talk about like post-grad life. Not that I have one. Like, it's really just, I'm getting ready to head out to Havasu, so I'm doing this really quickly. But yeah, I'm just gonna like do my hair, show you guys what I do to it, and I don't even know if I want to talk. I don't like those talking videos because I can't multitask like that. I'm focusing on trying to do my hair. So, in case you guys are new to my channel, hello, hi, my name's Brittany. You can subscribe because I'm not going to tell you anything else about me because you just subscribe and find out.
How about that? How about that?
But so I graduated last August with my degree in marketing. Thing about hair on my hands, it's just, I have like OCD. I really do. So so I'm gonna be using this my travel blueberry Bliss because I'm heading out, so, and I like this stuff. I just didn't have enough money to buy the big bottle. I'm gonna get like, I'm gonna do this quick, so I'm doing like that much. Ooh, yeah. So this is the leave-in. I know that is not enough for my hair, but some real stuff. Okay, I need more. I need more. Who did I think I was? Who did I think I was with some type 4 hair? And I'm thinking that little blob was gonna be enough for my hair. So within this year, I got lazy. At first I was doing like a ton of clay washes, you know, being extra, and I just didn't have time for that. As a full-time student, and I had a full-time job, I just didn't have time to be doing my hair like that. I'm an adult, and adults don't have time to be doing clay washes and apple cider vinegar rinses and rice water rinses and deep condition. What is that? Oh yeah, I don't really have a set hair like routine. I just be doing it when it needs to be done, kinda. So now I'm gonna use this twist and shout cream. I know it's not really like a butter, but I like how thick it is. And yeah, so I'm gonna use a little bit of that and just work it out.
But as y'all can see, it comes out at a really awkward stage. I'm not really sure how I feel about it. I kind of wanted to cut it all off today, but I guess that's normal. Like, for people to feel that way, I don't know.
So this is what, ooh, I look busted, baby.